Well, it's clear that Elon Musk has had some issues with Twitter for a while now. The two big issues he's highlighted are, number one, whether Twitter remains a platform for free speech, and the other is on the product development side. He feels, if you look at Elon Musk's tweets around the subject, he does feel that Twitter has gone in the wrong direction in terms of the types of new features it has been rolling out. And the most latest poll about editing, the edit feature, is one broadside on that side. So it appears that Elon Musk does care about the direction of Twitter. The question, as you alluded to in that report, is how active he will be in terms of the future direction of the company. An obvious one will be whether the current CEO, Agrawal, will remain in his position or not. We have to remember that Agrawal was an insider. He was the CTO at the time when Jack Dorsey was CEO. So maybe there will be a call for more of an outsider to come in to run Twitter. And more fundamentally, there is an issue of Twitter's revenue and growth model. It does have aggressive targets for its daily active users, yet it's unlikely to be able to achieve those. Its revenue growth, while it did pick up over the pandemic, wasn't as large as many of the platforms over the same period of time. So there is a lot of unhappiness from other investors in Twitter. So Elon Musk is expected to bring about some important changes.
Well, Elon Musk is a cult leader, if you will. He has a tremendous retail following. He has, I believe, 80 million followers on Twitter. And obviously within Tesla itself, it has a substantial retail shareholder base. To what extent do you think that his involvement in Twitter could effectively turn Twitter into a so-called meme stock?
Yeah, I think absolutely. I think that will almost certainly be the case. I mean, we saw that Twitter became a big focus for retail even during the Trump period. And Elon Musk, to some extent, has replaced Trump as the person who polarizes and generates lots of traffic to Twitter. We also have to remember that Twitter is an important platform used by retail investors and through which they do get information about Tesla itself. So there is a broader question around how Elon Musk will behave as the CEO of Tesla and using Twitter to promote Tesla shares themselves. So there is some conflicts of interest there potentially as well. And then there's a larger issue at kind of a more political level of oligarchs buying important media outlets. Whether it's Jeff Bezos buying the Washington Post and now Elon Musk buying Twitter. So there is this general trend towards incredibly wealthy people starting to acquire important media outlets.